Hey, what up, folks? How's it going? This is Avit here, and welcome to the Challenge Hub. So let me share my screen. And today's interview question is: a developer requests administrator access to an AWS account because they need to deploy an application to Kubernetes. How would we handle this request? So developer is asking for admin access to AWS account, and so what will you do? So thing is, you need to check what is his job responsibility, and that has to be reviewed. Based on that, access will be given. It's not that admin access will be given to anyone. Access will be always based on the least privilege. So least privilege is a security principle that gives user applications and services only to minimum permission required to perform their task or duties, right? Nothing more. So whatever minimum task is, minimum permissions are required to perform their task or regular responsibilities, day-to-day responsibilities, only that much will be given. And that also should be reviewed regularly. Why? Because today developer need some XYZ permission, and tomorrow, after 6 months, he may move into some other team where he doesn't need that kind of complete access. Maybe he moved to audit team, and he doesn't need uh, all the right permission, etc. So he needs this view permission. So that has to be reviewed after 6 months. You check whether he needs that permission or not. Earlier you have given certain permission, but after 6 months he may not need the same permission. So access will be granted based on job responsibilities and it will be reviewed regularly. Okay. So a developer needs access to deploy application but does not need permission to delete production database. IAM policies grant only deployment related permission. This is one example. The benefit is reduced attack surface, limits damage from compromised account, and improves compliance. Some examples like read-only database access instead of admin access. Kubernetes role-based access control with limited permission. AWS IAM policies granting only required action, right? So, like developer is asking for admin access to AWS, but definitely he doesn't need all the access, right? So we don't need to give him admin access. Like he should not delete EC2 instance, delete S3 bucket, modify IAM users, access sensitive resources. So whatever he requires in his for his job, that will be provided. So will be providing the list privilege. Maybe he needs share proof access, EKS deployment access, CloudWatch read access. So these are the accesses we are going to provide to the developer. Similarly, like for Kubernetes role-based access, we are not going to give him cluster role, cluster admin role. So in this role, he'll be able to control the entire cluster. So we'll create a maybe namespace production. He might be needing only production, get pods, view logs, create deployment. Only these permissions he might be needing. So based on his role and responsibilities, we'll be giving him access. So benefits are reduce attack surface, prevents unauthorized access, limits damage from compromised credentials. If his machine is hacked, so we'll be able to limit the damage. If admin access is there, that hacker can do anything. Then it supports compliance requirements, reduce accidental damages, and improve security posture. By mistake, you won't be able to delete something. Maybe deleting something, and you might be delete all the history buckets. By mistake, it may happen. So that mistake also will be able to reduce. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and keep watching interview question.